raycus 1500W laser source and chiller installation. Connect control cable to laser source. Connect the tube on laser source. Install the chiller. Connect the inlet of source to outlet L of chiller. Connect the outlet of laser source to inlet L of chiller. Connect outlet H of chiller to inlet of machine. Connect inlet H of chiller to outlet of machine. Connect gas to machine. Connect main power of chiller to cabinet. Connect L to 5 liter 3. Connect N to 5N. Connect main power of laser source to cabinet. Connect L to 4 liter 1. Connect N to N. Connect interlock 3 and interlock 2 together. Connect mod 16 plus 2P plus mod 16 2P. Connect enable plus to enable to laser. Connect red to aiming. Connect analog plus to D2 plus, AIM to D2.